In the sweltering summer of 1947, as the monsoon rains drizzled over the vast plains of British India, a storm of a different kind was brewing. The British Raj, a colonial empire that had ruled India for over 2 centuries, was on the brink of collapse. The Indian National Congress, led by the charismatic Mohandas K, Gandhi, and the Muslim League, under the guidance of the enigmatic Muhammad Ali Jinnah, had been wrestling for India's independence. After years of negotiations, the British had finally agreed to grant India self-rule. But the question that remained unanswered was, would India remain united? Jinnah, a Muslim, believed that a Hindu-majority India would suppress the Muslim minority. He demanded a separate homeland for Muslims, a proposal that was met with fierce opposition from Gandhi and the Congress. However, the violence that had erupted between Hindus and Muslims in several parts of the country had led the British to consider the partition as a solution to maintain peace. On June 3, 1947, the British announced their plan for partition. The British India would be divided into 2 independent nations, India and Pakistan. The border would be drawn along religious lines, with the western provinces going to Pakistan and the rest to India. The announcement sent shockwaves across the subcontinent. Millions of Hindus and Muslims were forced to migrate to their respective countries. Homes were left behind, lives were uprooted, and families were torn apart. The exodus turned into a humanitarian crisis, with reports of looting, rape, and murder reaching the ears of the world. On August 14 and 15, 1947, India and Pakistan were born. The partition was a moment of triumph for both nations, but it was also a moment of immense tragedy. Millions had died in the violence, and millions more had been displaced. The dream of a peaceful, united India had been shattered. The partition of India was a turning point in history, marking the end of British colonial rule and the beginning of 2 new nations. It was a time of hope, but also of sorrow and loss. The scars of the partition still linger, serving as a stark reminder of the price of independence. In the years that followed, both India and Pakistan struggled to find their footing. They dealt with political instability, economic challenges, and social unrest. But they also made strides in areas of education, technology, and diplomacy. The partition may have divided them, but it did not defeat their spirit. Today, India and Pakistan stand as independent nations, each with its own unique identity. The partition remains a painful chapter in their shared history, a reminder of the sacrifices made for freedom. But it is also a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, and the power of hope in the face of adversity.